This is number 13 on your rational study guide. Taking a look at it, you've got a fraction and the sign in between is plus. If the sign is addition or subtraction, you know it is common denominators. You have to have common denominators, okay, for these. Now here is my bit of advice for you. To figure out common denominators, as well, first of all, let me say this. Look at it. They're not common, correct? So what you have to do is whittle those down. So factor only the denominators right now. I know that 18 is, let's see, is 9 times 2, right? 9 times 2 times z. I made that line too long. Furthermore, and I'm just going to erase that 9 because I know 9 is 3 times 3. Some of you may not have to go all the way out like that. I find it's extremely useful. Plus, and I've got 1 over 2z is nice because they're both as simple as you can get them. So here's what you have to ask yourself with fractions and finding common denominators. They're very selfish. Anything one has, the other has to have. So you will notice they both have, I don't know if you can see that, they both have a 2 as a factor. So you don't have to worry about that. They already share a 2. Similarly, they already share a z. So they're not worried about that. However, you will notice that on the left-hand side, that fraction has a 3 times 3, or 9. If that one has a 3 times 3, the one on the right wants 1. Okay, so times 3 times 3, which means that you multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 3 times 3. You might have just left it as 9. That's okay. But now take a look and you will see 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. If you multiply those out, it's official. They will have common denominators. So that would be 5 over, and I'm going to tell you strategy. Leave it factored till the end. 3 times 3 times 2 times z. Okay, and here's another strategy. I know the common denominator is that. I'm going to go ahead and write it. So I'm going to do 5 plus 1 times 3 times 3. Now you just have to do the math. 5 plus, that's 9 over 3 times 2 times z. And 5 plus 9 is 14 over 3 times 2 times z. 14 is the same as 7 times 2 over 3 times 2 times z. And you will notice this is why I did not go ahead and multiply those numbers out. And it's because I like to slash and burn easier, quicker. And to do that, I've got to be able to see it. So looking at this, I see that a 2 over a 2 makes a 1. Those cancel. And what I end up with is 7 is left in the numerator over 3 times 3 is 9, and a z is left in the denominator. And congratulations, you're done.